Let's learn to multiply using the stick method. 2 times 2 equals. Touch intersection points. 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Good job! 5 times 2 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. Times 3 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Three times 3 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Two times 5 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Good job! 2 times 4 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 5 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 1 equals 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 5 times 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. Good job! 4 times 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 equals 6.